So in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to block someone in Facebook. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, go to this friends section. So under this friends section, tap on this your friends as at the top. So under this your friends, as you can see now you can be able to see all your friends on Facebook. As you can see now, here is all are my friends. So if you want to block just someone, all you have to do now, go and search for the person that you want to block. If you can't find the person in this list, so tap on the search bar to search the person by his name. So let's say for me, I want to just block this person on my Facebook. So tap on the person that you want to block. After you select the person, now tap on this three dot beside the person name. So now tap on this block section. As you can see here, it says block. Tap on it. So tap on this block again. So as you can see now, I say here it says you block. Here is the person name. Now I block this person. Tap on this close button. So as you can see now this person can't be able to see everything about my account. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.